Getting the index of the returned max or min item using max/min on a list. I'm using Python's max and min functions on lists for a minimax algorithm, and I need the index of the value returned by max or min. In other words, I need to know which move produced the max at a first player's turn or min, second player, value. I need to be able to return the actual index of the min or max value, not just the value.
Say that you have a list values equals 3, 6, 1, 5, and need the index of the smallest element, i.e. index_min equals 2 in this case. Avoid the solution with item getter, presented in the other answers, and use instead. Because it doesn't require to import operator nor to use enumerate, and it is always faster, benchmark below, than a solution using item getter. If you are dealing with number py arrays or can afford number py as a dependency, consider also using. This will be faster than the first solution even if you apply it to a pure Python list if it is larger than a few elements, about 2**4 elements on my machine. You can afford the memory copy from a pure list to a number py array. As this benchmark points out, I have run the benchmark on my machine with Python 2.7 for the two solutions above, blue, pure Python, first solution, red, number py solution, and for the standard solution based on item getter, black, reference solution. The same benchmark with Python 3.5 showed that the methods compare exactly the same of the Python 2.7 case presented above.
Find the minimum value with min, then find that value's index with .index. Or the maximum. If your list contains repeats of the minimum or maximum value, this will return the index of the first one.
You can find the min/max index and value at the same time if you enumerate the items in the list but perform min/max on the original values of the list. Like so. This way the list will only be traversed once for min or max.
Use number py's np.argmin or np.argmax functions.
Turn the array of values into an array of value index pairs and take the max minute of that. This returns the largest smallest index that has the max minute, i.e. pairs are compared by first comparing the value and then comparing the index if the values are the same.
It's